In this video, I want to talk to you about how to profit in match betting with gubbed accounts. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. Before I get into this video of how you can make profits still in match betting with gubbed accounts, of course, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, of which you can find a link to down in the description. This is a video I wanted to film and get on the channel because many people on the live streams that I do here on the channel and over on the Facebook group have been asking that regular question of how can you profit if your account's been gubbed? Now, of course, when you get gubbed, the reason for that is you've been taking too much value from the bookmakers, you've been getting on all their free bet offers and so on and so forth. And of course, the bookmakers aren't going to like you just taking their free money. So they stop sending you those free bets and of course restrict how much you can place, stake amounts on each horse or football match, etc. So instead of you being able to place like, £200 or whatever you want to place, you might then only be able to place like £3 or £4 on a horse, for example. Now, just because your free bet offers and bet clubs and all that good stuff are now gone, it doesn't mean that your account is now worthless. You can still do the horse racing extra places strategy. And this is something that when your account isn't gubbed, you can make an absolute fortune from because you can put those larger amounts of money on. But you can still just make a good amount of profit from it when you are then stake restricted. So if we get on the laptop now, I'll show you exactly how that's possible. Now we're on OddsMonkey here on the extra place matcher, and I know that most of you watching this video will have heard of the extra places strategy already, so I won't get into exactly what that is in this video. I'll leave some links for these videos that I've filmed about the extra places strategy and how good it is. And obviously, for anyone that doesn't know, if you want additional help with the extra places strategy, every Saturday I actually do a live stream on Patreon. It's just a few quid a month for you to get involved, to join me live there, where I share my screen and actually advise you on which horses to be getting on for those bigger races. And when it's bigger festivals as well, I'm also then live streaming every single day of those festivals over on there. But as we can see here, on this race here, Epsom 720, Sky Bet have got an extra place offer where they're going to pay you 4th place as the additional extra place here. So we can see if we look at, say, which one can we say as an example? So Beat the Heat, the horse called Beat the Heat there. If we were to put £10 each way and its back odds are 19, the win lay odds at Smarkets are 26, and then the place lay odds are 5.3, that's going to give a qualifying loss of £4.15 and then a potential profit of £41.85. Now, I haven't looked into how many horses are running in this race, so I don't know if that would be a good enough match worth taking. But the reason why I'm showing you this for this video is you probably wouldn't be able to place £10 each way on that horse Beat the Heat if your account is gubbed and stake restricted. So let's just reduce that £10 each way, which would be £20 total, down to say, let's just go with £5 for example. So £5 each way, £10 total. Now that's going to show then a qualifying loss of £2.08 and a potential profit of £20.92. Now £20.92 for that horse landing in the extra place, that is obviously nowhere near as good as over £40, but it is still profit that you can take there and make from the extra places strategy. So this is something when I started getting gubbed on all my own accounts, I did not know about. I thought once you gub, that's it. It's game over for your accounts. They're not worth anything anymore and they're no good to you. But yeah, putting the extra places strategy into practice with your gubbed accounts is a fantastic way to carry on making those profits. Do comment below on this video if you are doing the extra places strategy and you're doing it on gubbed accounts, because I'd love to hear from you. If you found any value from this video, please do press the like button. You know I appreciate the likes being pressed. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.